Miami, Florida. Welcome to Doorbell Updates. West Palm Beach, Florida. Manahawkin, New Jersey. A couple sneaking around allegedly stole somebody's bike. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. A woman approaches, covering somebody's Ring doorbell with a pair of pants. What was she up to? Fort Lauderdale, Florida. A woman is caught stealing some solar lights from somebody's property, but then the homeowner has some choice words for her as she leaves.
Hey, fuckface! They don't work. Hey, someone just stole.
Canton, Ohio. We have another decoration thief. St. Albans, New York. Fresno, California. A woman approaches
We
somebody's
can't answer the
property
door right
being
now,
racist.
but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi, Mr. Grinch. When you come from the mountain, make sure you don't kill people. We know you're white and you hate people, but we don't want to be killed. Have a great day.
Waco, Texas.
Okay, I still don't know the address. Hold on. It's like a curve between Cross Street and Hillcrest.
West Palm Beach, Florida. Allegedly, this young lady has stolen this car off of these people's property. Brooklyn, New York. Another package thief. If you enjoyed today's episode of Doorbell Updates, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more weekly videos.